If you want dashcam parking mode, the first decision is not camera resolution. It is how you will power the camera after the engine is off. A hardwire kit is the lower-cost path. It usually works through 3 connections: constant battery power, ignition-switched ACC power, and a clean chassis ground. That setup gives you a cleaner install, frees the 12-volt socket, and lets the dashcam switch between driving mode and parking mode automatically. But the good version is a reversible install with fuse taps and low-voltage protection. The bad version is cutting factory wires, guessing the wrong fuse, or routing cable carelessly around airbags. On the official product side, Viofo's Type-C HK4 is a straightforward example of a brand-specific hardwire cable with multiple fuse kit options. 70mi's official hardwire kit page is a reminder that compatibility is not one-size-fits-all. Their UP03, UP04, UP05, and UP06 variants are different buying decisions, not the same cable with different marketing. If your real concern is reducing load on the starter battery, dedicated dashcam battery packs are the stronger answer. Blackview's official B130A page positions it as a high-capacity parking mode battery with a 50-minute hardwired recharge and up to 30 hours of operation on a 3-watt dashcam load. Thinkware's official iVolt mini page says up to 20 hours of parking mode, roughly 45 minutes to recharge while driving, and LiFePO4 battery chemistry. That is the key distinction. A hardwire kit is a power path. A battery pack is a separate energy buffer built for parked recording. And a normal phone power bank should not be treated as the same class of product in a hot, parked car. So choose by use case. Pick a hardwire kit when you want the cheapest clean install and you're comfortable with fuse box work. Pick a battery pack when parked recording matters more and you want better separation from the starter battery. And if you only want drive time footage, skip the parked power complexity completely. For more garage first ownership guides, visit AutoVerse.Club.